Simon Says subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications.
Hi everyone, welcome to a new tutorial from Simon Says It. In this video, we are going to look at how to delete name ranges in Excel. Named ranges are an excellent feature. They are helpful in decluttering your sheets, especially if you have numerous formulas and an abundance of data in your spreadsheet. If you're a regular Excel user, you would have come across name ranges at least once in your work. Essentially, you can use them to name and refer to a cell or a range of cells, instead of using their cell references. For example, after creating a named range called sample referring to the range from cell A2 to cell A10, you can use it inside formulas. For example, sum, open parentheses, sample, close parentheses can be used instead of using the range directly like sum, open parentheses, A2, semicolon, A10, close parentheses. Named ranges simplify work and cut the clutter to make your spreadsheets easy to understand for anyone. However, you may develop a habit of using them and inadvertently overuse them in your spreadsheets. The only problem is that named ranges, especially dynamic ranges, consume a considerable amount of working memory. Overusing them may slow down your Excel spreadsheet. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete named ranges in Excel using the Name Manager and VBA codes. First, let us see how to delete named ranges using the Name Manager. Excel's Name Manager is a built-in tool that allows you to create and manage all named ranges inside a spreadsheet. You can use it to delete all or some of the named ranges. Let's see how. First, click on the Name Manager option in the Defined Names section of the Formula tab. Then, in the Name Manager window, select all the named ranges you want to delete. Finally, hit the Delete button. Please note that you can select multiple name ranges at once by holding down the Control key while clicking on them individually. Now, let us see how to filter for specific named ranges to delete them. It is possible to rely too much on named ranges, and before you realize it, your spreadsheet may be flooded with too many of them to select individually. That's where the filter option in the Name Manager will come in handy to filter for specific types of named ranges. For example, if you want to delete only named ranges of tables, first, open the Name Manager from the Defined Names section of the Formula tab. Then, in the Name Manager window, click on the Filter option and choose your desired name range type from the drop-down list. In this example, we use table names. Finally, select the name ranges you want to delete from the filtered list and hit the Delete button. Next, let us see how to smartly delete named ranges using VBA codes. In some rare cases, using the Name Manager filter to delete named ranges may become tedious. You can tremendously simplify the process by using the following VBA codes. Let's see how to do that. First, hit the Alt plus F11 shortcut key to open the VBA editor. Then, in the VBA editor, go to Insert and click on Module. Now, enter either one of the following VBA code snippets inside the module window. Use the first code to delete only certain named ranges containing the string YYY inside their names. Please replace YYY with your desired name range that you are looking for. Use the second code to delete all named ranges from the workbook. Finally, hit the Run button or simply press F5. Congratulations, you have successfully deleted named ranges from your spreadsheet at the press of a button. In this guide, I showed you 2 smart ways to delete unwanted named ranges from your spreadsheet. Do try these out in the practice worksheet and let us know what you think. If you have any questions about this or any other Excel feature, let us know in the comments section. We are always happy to help. Thank you.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full blog article that this video came from, please click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.